Here's your YFL Weekly Video! Walking through a warehouse.
Yeah, I like the light shining through.
Oh wow, man, this is the YFL Network, man. Hang on, cause here it comes, man. Hey man, go for it, man, go for it.
Tell the truth until you learn to lie. Can't breathe until you choke. You gotta laugh when you're the joke. There's nothing like a funeral to make you feel alive. Just open your eyes. Just open your eyes and see that life is beautiful. Will you swear on your life that no one will cry at my funeral?
And I know the YFL Network, man. And we'll be right back after these words, man. Yeah, man, we'll be right back, man, to the YFL Network, man.
Look at the cute dog.
Eyes are open wide. By the way, I made it through the day. I watched the world outside. By the way, I'm leaving out today. I just saw Haley's comments you way. Said, why you always running in place? Even the man in the moon disappeared. Somewhere in the stratosphere. Tell my mother, tell my father, I've done the best I can to make them realize this is my life. I hope they understand. I'm not angry, I'm just saying, sometimes goodbye is a second chance. Please don't cry one tear for me. I'm not afraid of what I have to say. This is my one and only voice, so listen close. It's only for today.
This is the YFL Network. Wow, I like that. That's a good graphic. Yeah. Closed caption been brought to you by the 15-minute show, WVIZ 93.6.
Hello, thank you very much for watching the YFL Network. I'm producer Teddy Gibson, and thank you for watching the YFL.
And Chief Editor Dennis Flowers. Thank you, everybody. Hey, Scotty. Come here.
No! Oh my God, what the heck was that? I'm Frankie O!
And I'm Queenie here, and I did the set design.
Ooh, and I'm Letty from Letty's American Deli, home of the Tommy Burger. Yeah, man, I'm the subject, man. I'm not yet, man. Did the music, man. You know what I'm talking about, man? Hey, now, where's my lines at, man? You know, you guys suck, man. You guys got lines. How come I don't have anything, man?